we're in Malabo, Guinea Equatorial, or Equatorial Guinea. So this is it's called the Paseo Marítimo. It's basically the corniche, the seaside walk. So they have a couple of these signs out for the one tourist who's here, which is me, and huge flag pole, but just a tiny little sliver of a flag. It's got their slogan, Unidad, Paz, Justicia, unity, peace, and justice. And then here's their full name. Pretty long name for a country, and it's in Spanish, but with I love, Guinea Equatorial, Equatorial Guinea. So as you can see, there's no one here. I've seen zero just travelers or tourists. The few foreigners here are of course working in the oil industry or diplomats or whatever, but just regular travelers. It's just me, and this is the only place that I can film like this because pretty much no photography, no cameras.